As I know, I hate doing these, but for what I just did, and I'm way too proud of to like kind of sit on, I released my first ever short film that I have made. Clap it up, clap it up. It's called The Struggles of the Creative. Right now, it is on my YouTube page in the link in my bio. In the link in my bio. So, what I'm asking everybody to do right now is go over to the YouTube page, and I beg of thee, I beg of thee to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment. That's it. That's all I ask. I did put in a lot of work on making this. This is one of the things I was talking about that I can do. So, go check it out. Love y'all.